two illnesses that have reached epidemic proportion today are pridefullitis and opinionatia. And many have lost hope.
Symptoms include hearing loss, anger, the urge to debate, and delusions of not needing directions. I see pridefullitis every day in my practice. It destroys friendships, marriages, and careers. Sufferers can find it impossible to hear any advice or helpful input.
But now there's hope. Introducing Humilify.
After just a few days on Humilify, I was actually able to hear my spouse again. Humilify saved my marriage.
I suffered from full-blown, nag-resistant pridefullitis. Humilify completely cured my hearing and my vision. Humilify gave me hope.
Humilify has also been shown to be effective against other diseases, like victimitis, get off my caseus, and I know bestia.
Exercise caution. Side effects include sincere apologies, attentive listening, and the realization that other people are intelligent. Make the decision that will change your life. Try Humilify today. Humilify. Isn't it time you swallowed your pride?